In today's video, we are going to check out the best 4K monitors made especially for designers and artists. This list is made based on my personal experience and they are rated based on quality, durability and value for money. To see the price and find out more information on this 4K monitors, check the link in the description. Also make sure you subscribe for more of our latest technology reviews. Let's get started. At number 5 is LG 27MD 5KBB Ultra Fine 27 inches IPS monitor. This monitor is not just the only 5K monitor on this list, but also the only one that doesn't use sRGB or Adobe RGB color gamut, rather DCI-P3. It's pretty unique in these ways, but in others, it's a pretty standard hulk of a monitor. Not everyone needs a 5K monitor, but those who do will find just about everything they're looking for in this one. Firstly, the DCI-P3 gamut is likely to display more of the CMYK color range than your current sRGB monitor. That's the only real difference. This monitor delivers a 5K display, 5120x2880px, at 27 inches, essentially allowing for a 27-inch Retina display monitor. It's built to reproduce the detail of a Mac, as is shown with its rare Thunderbolt 3 connectivity. This port is impressively able to transmit 5K video and data, while simultaneously charging a new MacBook Pro over a single cable. Sure, it won't come cheap, but it's all the more worth it when you look at how fine-tuned it is to these specifications. At number 4 is ViewSonic Color Pro 38 inches curved monitor. First off, there are two things to note about this particular monitor. Firstly, it's made for professionals who want a little something extra out of their monitor. Secondly, the price point reflects this target market pretty well. This is likely a monitor best left avoided unless you've either got a huge budget or are really looking to step up your workspace. This monitor has a massive 38-inch WQHD+ display at an aspect ratio of 21:9. This means it's a wide, Quad HD+ display, a 4K max resolution, over a wide display with a curve radius of 2300. It's also got an ultra-wide viewing angle of 178 degrees both vertical and horizontal. All in all, this is just about the Porsche of all the monitors on this list. At number 3 is Samsung UH750 31.5 inches 4K monitor. This is another of the more affordable, and less specialized options. This monitor produces a great, clear picture and sits at a comfortable price point for such a wide screen. The monitor features a maximum resolution of 3840x2160, 4K, over a 31.5-inch display, with 125% sRGB color gamut, 3000:1 static contrast ratio, a 178-degree horizontal and vertical viewing angle, as well as a stunningly low 100 watts power consumption. It's really topped out all of the specs in these categories. If you're looking for a nice monitor upgrade, mainly in terms of pure screen size, but additionally color reproduction and image clarity, then this is a fantastic option. It's not the professional upgrade, but rather the everyday use and multi-purpose upgrade, which you'll struggle to find a good competitor for. At number 2 is BenQ PD3200U 32-inch 4K IPS monitor. This monitor from BenQ was initially designed for post-production, and as such is obviously appropriate for graphic design and animation. This is one of the things we love about BenQ. They design their products with utility in mind. Displaying a 100% sRGB color gamut over a 32-inch display with a max resolution of 3840x2160, this monitor is perfect for anything from home animation work, to professional-level graphic design. It's LED backlit, with 1000:1 native contrast, and a 60 Hz refresh rate, making it great for hands-on design with a tablet or pen mouse. All in all, it's a great monitor on all fronts and it could certainly be the upgrade you're looking for if you're a professional or a professional-to-be. At number 1 is Asus PA329Q 32 inches 4K monitor. This monitor comes with a non-glare surface to ease long use in bright environments. It has a 6 ms gray-to-gray response time, over a 3840x2160 display, with stereo speakers, input selection and a 5-way OSD navigation joystick for easy menu access. There are 2 HDMI ports, 4 USB 3.0 ports for easy plug-and-play, and few more I/O ports for added versatility. This monitor is an all-around great choice. It has the bonus of being wall-mountable, low power, and has a low blue light mode to aid with your sleeping patterns for late night or early morning use.